Hello friends, in this video we will look at the natural language processing and how we have to perform natural language processing operations using Python. So I will be recording a series of videos. I won't include all the details in the same video, but I will give the link in the description box for all the videos in which the steps of NLP will be shown. But before we go about the steps of NLP, first let us understand what is NLP. NLP is natural language processing, which is a branch of computer science that helps the computer to understand, interpret, and manipulate the human language. So basically, we want the computer to be able to decipher what has been written in the natural language, and for that we have to break the sentences, paragraphs into sentences, then sentences into words, then the meaning of each word is to be found. So there are various steps in NLP that we will be looking in the series of these videos, and various applications of NLP where computers are being used for evaluating the natural text is translation, where computer is performing translation of text from English to Hindi or English to Punjabi, Hindi to Punjabi, like that. Then summarization is there. You give a paragraph or an essay to the computer and it will find out a summary or a small, short, crisp summary for your text. This feature is already available in Microsoft Windows Office, and you can always perform summarization and include that in your reports. Then named entity recognition. Named entity recognition is, in a paragraph we have to identify who all are the nouns in the paragraph. So basically cities are there, names of people are there, then nouns like numbers, digits, constants, all these values, they are named entities or nouns which have to be found in the text. It is not very easy job to find a named entity recognition because all the nouns are not easily decipherable. Then we have relationship extraction. In a given paragraph, what is the relationship between the page and the book? Then what is the relationship between the flight and the airport? And other such details, other such relationship types have to be extracted. These are very simple examples and we can have very complicated relationship extraction. Then we have speech recognition. Whatever is being spoken, you try to identify the words separately and then convert that into text and then perform operations based on those speech. Alexa is a very good example of this, in which you have to speak certain words while giving the commands, and Alexa will recognize your speech and identify those words. Then we have topic segmentation. Topic segmentation is like you have various newspaper articles. Now we want the computer to categorize them as belonging to sports, belonging to politics, belonging to day-to-day life news. So like this categorization has to be done, and other such type of categorizations, which is topic segmentation. Then we have sentiment analysis. Imagine on Amazon we have hundreds of reviews about a product. So sentiment analysis will read the text that is given in the review and categorize it as a good review or a bad review and average review, like that. Then spell checking is correcting the document spelling. Though we have this feature in Microsoft Word, but it is not very updated. Still, there are certain fragments of text which Word says that you have to check the spelling yourself. Then we have keyword search. You want to perform keyword search over the internet. So for finding out all the documents that contain a certain keyword, or you have a document in which you want to find out which ones are the important words in that document, that is a keyword search. And then we have chatbots, in which the automatic softwares are going to interact with the user and they will find out that whatever problems are there, they will be solved by the computer. So there are various steps, programming steps in the natural language processing. And in the subsequent videos we will look at these steps, primarily tokenization, stemming and lemmatization I will be covering in the subsequent video which I will be uploading. And then we will do stop word removal, engrams and part of speech tagging. What each of these means I will be covering, and then I will explain how to do that particular job in Python. I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you.